So I have a long day today, a very, very long day today. I'm kind of contemplating if I should do my makeup now or do my makeup later because it's still very early. It's like around not very early basically. It's like almost, it's like 7:30 I guess. So I think I'm gonna do like my pre-makeup, maybe do my base, my brows, and then do my face later on, just because I feel like it might be a long day and I don't want the makeup to get weary. But let's see how it goes, to be honest with you. I went ahead to do my makeup. I did my makeup, guys. This is it. Ooh, I do this a lot. I'm actually liking this vlogging on my phone thing. So I'm currently trying to pack my equipment, some of my equipment I'm going to be using for today's shoot, as well as some props and some of my outfits. I want to pack them inside this box. So I successfully put all my clothes, shoes, and accessories in here. I'm done packing. So I'm just going to see. I broke my vase, guys. True life story.
Pushing more and more. I don't wanna go. I don't wanna know.
This is my final look. The set is ready. Hey guys, meet Ade, the creative director behind this shoot. Say hi. Hey, this is the amazing videographer. Their links would their links will be down below in case you guys are interested. In case you guys want to work with them, they do amazing work. I'll leave the links down to you guys. Check it out. My blood is hot. They gave me a shot of vodka. Give me a shot. Say gulp everything. Say gulp everything. It wasn't too much. Guys, this place is so beautiful.
Fired all of the bullets. Yeah, you shot me through the heart. Casting dice and roulette. The game was set right from the start. I don't wanna go, I don't wanna know, I don't want it anymore. I don't wanna go, don't wanna know, but I keep coming back for more. Crashing down in the line, all things are burning up. Bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. We're crashing down in a rough line. Our love will never be the same. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. Yeah, the air's getting thinner, higher than high we go. A game with no winners. We keep pushing more and more.
Everywhere is on point. Like, look at that. I'm literally turning around and rotating, and everywhere looks amazing. Lighting is amazing. Like, it is literally picture perfect. I'm thinking of doing a tour, but I don't know how it will turn out because no time, no day. But this is the bedroom. This right here.
Yeah, you shot me through the heart, casting dice and roulette.
Guys, so I just did my makeup and I'm feeling all sorts of fresh, like I feel amazing. Makeup definitely does help with lifting up your spirit. And now I want to do a tour of the penthouse. I'm gonna have the video on my channel very soon, but this is pretty much like a BTS continuation because we weren't able to finish the first video we're doing, the one I wore like a red dress. So this is just me doing like a detailed tour of the entire place and the entire space. Did I rhyme me? Getting myself back. But yeah, let me fix my hair, take off this band, and let's get right into it. Let me just take this band off. This lighting, this window, everything is just amazing. Let me just take this out. Oh yes, girl. So I want to go and get props for the shoot. I think I should have taken some things downstairs as well, but I want to get props. I think I want to get like a bottle of champagne, and I want to get like a bottle of champagne, a glass, just to add to the brand story, to that way the tour is not boring, I guess. So that's what I'm going to get now. So I picked it up, and I also picked up banana bread because right here I'm hungry. But content first, then we eat. But yeah, guys, so I have my glass and I'm ready to shoot. So I think I want to start off with the masters. So I do have some B-roll shots where I wear the oh shit, this feels mad though. Where I wore the red dress. So I do have some B-roll shots from there, but this one I want to be like a more of like a lifestyle film. So I want to kind of fill the space, if that makes sense. Okay. Let me drop this here. Let me drink a little bit first. Lighting is giving me life. I am creating. It's good.
Fired all of the bullets. Yeah, you shot me through the heart, casting dice and roulette. The game was set right from the start. I don't wanna go, I don't wanna know, I don't want it anymore.
Hey guys, so I finished shooting today, and low-key, I actually like this camera for vlogging. My problem with this is that it's really heavy, so I'm hoping that the Sony ZV-1 gives me the same or at least similar pro high quality content with like a blurred out background and still looks good. Then I'll be good with that. But I think I'll be using this one for like more of a professional shoot. Then I'll use the vlogging camera or my phone for like an everyday, just going about doing my thing. I don't want stress type of content. Makes better sense. So now I want to just import the clips that I filmed onto my hard drive, because I like to store my content in my hard drive and then kind of work with them individually. So in my hard drive now I have like at least 10 videos that I need to edit, but I haven't edited because of what's going on now. So what I want to do is I'm going to transfer my video that I filmed today on to the hard drive, and then pick out the ones that I want to edit for this content to my laptop, and then start working on it. So that way I have backups in my hard drive and then in my laptop, if that makes sense. But if you're a content creator, and in my SD card as well. So if you're a content creator and you bulk create, it's very important for you to have backups. So have backups in your memory card, have backups in your hard drive, have backups on your laptop if you have that space. That makes sense. So that way, if your memory card gets missing, you have it in your what's it called, hard drive. If your hard drive gets missing, you have it in your memory card on your laptop. So that way, that's something I started doing, and I'm speaking from personal experience because twice I've had problems with my hard drive, and I stored most of my content there. Make sure that it is safe and sound. Your time is very important. So if you're spending hours creating content, you want to make sure you spend minutes trying to make sure that you safeguard those content. Okay, is that cool? Amazing. And I filmed like the house tour and also like a mini behind the scenes. This is also like the behind the scenes sort of. Yeah, so I'm gonna transport it and let's see what we're working with. Okay.